Hi everyone, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. This is Speedy Lifestyles channel, and here we discuss relocation, travel, visa, aviation related topics, and everything you need to know about moving to another country. So you are welcome. On today's video, I'll be sharing a flight checklist to note before booking your international trips or your flights. Okay, there are some precautions and things to know before you book or you embark on that journey, and that's why you need to watch this video to the end. Hence why I'm making these videos for you. So if that interests you, with no further ado, let's jump right into the video. In no particular order, number one is transit visa. Before you embark on any journey, make sure to check your transit requirements. Make sure to check if that flight is a transit visa or it's not a transit visa. If some airlines are going to state if the trip requires a transit visa or it does not require a transit visa. Number two is hospitality. So hospitality I mean here is like special requests, food. So some flight does not come with special requests, that you will not see option for special requests, and these special requests are mainly for people who need a particular kind of care. Let's say you are flying with an infant, you might likely be needing baby's food or baby's bed. Okay, if you are going with let's say a diabetic patient, but diabetic patients also need like the food that are meant for diabetic patients. Okay, so all these things are called special requests, and mainly is food. If you don't even have any medical situation or you are not going with an infant, it's also important that you check if the airline will be giving you food on the plane, because some flight fare do not cover such requests. They don't cover such supplementaries. Okay, so always go for that. If you really don't care about their food, you might just book and go ahead and get your snacks ready. Okay, especially for long international trips. And three is stopover. Very interesting. So when you are booking, check if each flight are stopover. They have connecting stopovers are connecting flights. So let's say that you want to travel to which country will I now use now? Let's say you want to travel to London Heathrow. They will have to stop at, and you are using Emirates. Okay, they will have to stop at Dubai. All right, they will have to stop at Dubai. That's the hub of the airline. Or if you are using Turkish airline, they will stop at Istanbul. So you need to know all these things so as to know where you are stopping and the duration of your trip. Some stopovers actually take up to like 8 hours, or some people might even require you to sleep over. Okay, stopovers are really long. Stopovers and layover are not the same actually, but some stopovers are actually long. And make sure to know, like, some stopovers are really connecting. Like, how do I even put this? Let me not confuse people. I'll be coming to that. I'll be coming to some aspect of this stopover, but some stopovers will give you like a place of relaxation or lobby to like lay your head, not like just to relax and wait for the next flight. Okay, so check the connecting flights, the flights that they will be using to transfer you people to the next place, to your next destination, and then how many minutes, the duration is very important. Number of stopovers, I've said it before. Some airlines have like five three stopovers or two stopovers. Some airlines they have marketing airlines, and then they have operational airlines. What do I mean? Now let's say, now let me use Airpeace for example. Airpeace might be marketing, but they are not the ones that will complete the journey. Okay, they might just take you people to Istanbul, and you people will now enter another vehicle that will take you, sorry, another flight that will take you to London Heathrow. Okay, so if they stop you at Istanbul, you people will enter Turkish airline that will now take you to what's the name, London Heathrow. All right, yeah. So the marketing airline and the operating airline are not the same. So just so for clarity, some people have like lots of drop-offs or lots of connecting number of stopovers, and sometimes if you don't know this, you get so tired. Okay, so read them. That's why sometimes when you look at the website, let's say you want to travel to London Heathrow, when you look at the air, you will be seeing airlines like Turkish Airlines, KLM, Air Peace. Some of all these airlines, they are the ones that will take you people, but you don't even know how the connecting is. So always read them out. Always make sure you mark them so as to avoid, asking why, or just so that you get aware, just so you'll be aware of how your trip is going to go. Okay, checking luggage. Some flights don't come with login like luggage allowances. So all you need to do is you have to manually pay for that one, and most times it could be very, very expensive. Imagine paying thousands and millions of naira for your flight, and coming back you have to still pay for your luggage, which you don't even know the amount they might be charging you. Probably it might be written on their website, but always check for luggages if they are paying. If you're paying for your flight and your luggage, or when you get to the airport you'll be paying for your luggage separately, always look out for all this. It's very, very important. And if they have luggage allowance, check for the kg of your luggage. So there's this weighing thing that you can actually use to weigh your bag at home before taking it to the airport, just so you be on the safer side when packing. If it requires like 10 kg, why do you have to put extra where you can actually reduce your luggage, so you wouldn't be paying for all of those charges? All right. So another one is a check pickup airports. Now this is very, very important. Imagine you are traveling to a city that you don't even know your whereabouts. Booking ahead for your taxi or your movement, your mobility is very, very important. Logistics. So check if the airline is covering those charges, then you pay for it. Okay, instead of you getting to there and start booking from the airport, which could also cost you more. So when you are booking your flight, like when you are planning your entire itinerary, it's always very important to check those items. Check if they have airport pickups, then you pay for it beforehand. It will also save you more time, more less stress, and hassle-free travels. Another thing you have to check is your landing airports. Landing airports means, let's say you are coming from London to Nigeria and you reside in Abuja, like your place of residence is in Abuja. Instead of you flying into Lagos, and when you get to Lagos you still have to book local flight to Abuja, the best tip that you need to do is to book from London to Abuja. Instead of doing London to Lagos, you do London to Abuja. So check their landing airports. And in situation wherein they have multiple airports in a particular city or country, you don't necessarily need to book somewhere that is very far from your home or where you are residing. Just like I've already said, if you are going to Abuja, there's no need to land in Lagos and book again to Abuja. Instead, book from London to Abuja, which will also make it very, very easy for you, both save your money and also the stress of booking. Another one is check flight rules. Check if they have return policy. Each flight has their rules and regulations. Some flights don't do refund policies, like they can never refund you. Even if you miss your flight or you reschedule, they will not refund you. Okay, so check flight rules. Check dates and changes of travel dates. Okay, so check all the travel requirements. Make sure that everything that you're okay with it before you book, because once you book, your money is gone. Like, it's gone. That's why sometimes when you lay a complaint, they'll be like, go and check on our website, it's written there, we don't refund, we don't pay for damages, stuff like that. So check travel requirements of each flight or each airline. The last but not the least is the number of airlines participating in that journey. I've said it before. So in aviation, there's something that we call inter and intra. Okay, so I don't really want to go into the term, but what that means is there are airlines that are operation and there are airlines that are marketing. Those people that are marketing are not the ones that will take actions. They are not the ones that will carry you to your destinations. They are just marketing. Okay, there are some travel portals. I don't really want to mention anyone, but let's say, okay, let me say booking.com. In booking.com you can do any you can book anything there. You can book your flight, book your hotel, book, but they're not the ones that are rendering services. They are just channels wherein other marketing bodies, other flights or any of those services that they are showcasing, you know, wherein they do their business there, but they're not the ones that are offering services. That's also same way some flights are. Airpeace might be the ones to present the flights to you, but they are not the ones that will complete the journey, or they are not the ones that will take action. That's why sometimes after booking in Airpeace, you might come out and see another flight there. Either you'll be wondering, no, but I booked Airpeace. So sometimes it's always written there. Check so that you'll be informed and you wouldn't make mistakes. So in conclusion, make sure that you do your due diligence before you embark on any of these travels. It's very important that you are aware before you go for that journey than not being aware. Because when you are aware, okay, you should know that by so time you should be resting, or you should be on transit, or you know, probably you should know certain things before you travel. It gives you it creates awareness. It makes you to be in charge, rather than getting to the airport and realizing that, oh, they will not offer you food, or you will not be, or they don't have luggage allowances and stuff like that. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and I'll be bringing the part 2 of this video to you guys. All right.